Is abstract painting something that you've always wanted to do, but don't know where to start and how to do it? I've put together a very comprehensive course which literally takes you from start to finish of how you can paint abstract paintings. I show you all the techniques and how to be creative, how to express yourself, how to put that all together in a painting. My name is Joy Fay and I'm an artist and teacher, and I've been teaching for many years, and I love sharing my art and helping people develop themselves as artists, and particularly with abstract painting. There's a great fear around it of judgment and is it good enough and how do I do it, and this course literally shows you step by step how you can really know what to do and how to do it. Now, the course is with Skillshare, and Skillshare is a platform for all kind of creative things, and you can join for free. There's a link below, and you can check the course out for 2 weeks for free, see if you like it, and then if you want to continue you can, and if you don't, it doesn't matter. But I'm sure if you really want to learn how to do abstracts, really feel confident about it and enjoy the whole process, then this course will absolutely be for you. So go to the link, check it out, and I hope to see your paintings on our projects on Skillshare and enjoy our whole painting process together. See you then. Bye for now.